tell you how excited I am to open this Boxycharm. This is the base box. Is $25 a month, is a monthly subscription, and you can cancel it at any time. Just signed up for it recently. You're supposed to get 5 full-size items for a total of like $125. It's just gonna cost you $25. I've had it since this morning, and you don't know how hard it has been not to take a peek to see what do we have here. And you welcome, my name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let me just tell you that I've seen many other videos and there's a lot of Huda Beauty items. I hope I got some Huda Beauty in here. Thank you for my viewer that told me last time what the variation was, where you could find it, because I couldn't find it anywhere. I didn't know. I'm new to this Boxycharm, okay? So I think I got variation number 43 to see what's the first thing I got. Oh my god, I think this is one of the things that I saw in somebody else's box that I really wanted. It's by Hank and Henry. This is the Satin Cream Lipstick. This is cruelty free. It's made in China. It's called Te Amo. Ooh. When I first saw it, I was like, ugh, I wouldn't wear something like that. But then I saw when they swatched it and what it really looked like. And by the way, my favorite color is red. And just look at this. Oh my god. Do you see this? For some people, this might be like way too much, but imagine having this in your bag for the holidays, for Christmas. Okay, so how do you open this? Oh my god. Oh, that is so cool. So you press this here and this comes out. You could tell I didn't watch the whole video. Look at this. Never tried this brand. I'm gonna take a look at the price, but then I don't want to see the other items I'm getting, so let me see really quickly. Okay, so this is $18 and it says love your lips of Luxe Lipstick. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves. It is applied to your lips and encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. This formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish. I have to swatch it. I previously have some like old swatches. That's because I literally just filmed another video. So let me just swatch it like here, I guess. Ooh. Look at this. So you see, I was terrified when I saw this because I was like, oh, I'm not gonna wear something like that. I mean, some people would, but I just personally wouldn't. Look at that. It doesn't even come off like that. It's literally just like a beautiful cream. It looks so creamy there. The packaging, the way it opens, everything. Alright, what's next here? Oh, we have Luna Magic. I think this is brushes. Really nice little bag here. It smells like plastic. Last time I didn't receive brushes, and I know so many people got like the Morphe brush set, and now I got some brushes. 4 brushes here, all different colors. I like it. These are all like eye brushes. Really pretty. Look at this. Oh, I'm obsessed with yellow. I don't know why, since when. This one looks like a beautiful blending brush. This is a small like smudger brush. This is also like to pack on the color. And then what would you use this one for? Let's see what it says. Blended Girl Luna Magic Beauty Luxury Brush Set is here to stay. This cruelty-free brush set includes all the essential brushes for you to complete your glamorous eye look. Be precise, be bold, Blended Girl. So this retails for $18. Look at that. They are beautiful. They seem like good quality. Of course, look at this red one. I don't know. Maybe you use it? No, I don't think you would use this for the eye, would you? I don't know. I mean, you could use the brushes for whatever you want. Doesn't matter what it says it's for. Definitely gonna keep them here. I don't want to keep them with my other set of brushes that are so dirty. So this is cool. Please let me know if you got any of the same things that I got, and what's your variation number down below. I'm excited. Like I said when I reviewed my Ipsy as well, I love receiving brushes. What else we got here? Oh, I haven't seen this in anybody's box. This is La Vito. Inspired by nature, nourishing hand cream. I'm always like excited for our hand cream. Ooh, patchouli, vanilla, and shea butter. This says it's for all skin types, 2.36 ounces, dermatology tested. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Hand cream in the sweet, earthy scent of patchouli and vanilla is rich in organic shea butter and plant-based hyaluronic acid, helping to soothe, soften, and protect hand environmental damage. Retails for $14. I mean, the packaging, I love this. Look, it looks so like sweet and feminine. Like, I would love to just keep this like in my bathroom. It's just so beautiful. This is made in Israel. Nicely sealed. I hope I like it, because if not, it's gonna suck that I'm opening it when I could have given it to somebody. Nope. I knew it. I knew it once I read that it said patchouli. Oh, no, 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 no. Too bad, because the packaging is so cute. I literally just like took a little out, so I do want to try to give it to someone. Hopefully they like it, but no. First fail. Oh my god, I just saw something that I'm excited for. Yes! Oh my god, right now we've seen no Huda. You know, since I saw that pharmacy release that they came out with this, I wanted to try it so badly. First of all, I love cherry, and if you've seen my videos, I've mentioned how badly I've needed like an eye cream. Oh, now I smell that cream. Love that one. So again, this is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream, 0.5 ounce. It says it's a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. Oh, it's fragrance-free. I would have thought that maybe it would have smelled something like cherry, but only apply to the eye area. May apply to brow bone for additional radiance. Use AM and PM. Love this. Oh, it came like, it wasn't like tightly sealed. What? Let's see. Oh, that smell of, oh. I don't know, did yours come like this? It looks like, first of all, it wasn't closed properly, and second, that doesn't even look like, look at that. I mean, I know it's not gonna come perfect, but I just feel like if it's not complete, you know what I mean? I hope you can see it good. Okay, I'm just gonna put some here. Yep, fragrance free. Is a nice glass tub. I don't feel like it's full. Has this ever happened to you guys? Whatever, what can you do? I'm just applying this to see. Okay, so as of now it feels a little bit sticky, but I can't wait to apply it under the eyes. Yeah, it feels a little bit sticky. What else do we have here? How many products have I revealed? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, am I really not gonna get not even one Huda Beauty? Or was that just for the other box, the $35 one? Have an eyeshadow palette. This is Hip Dot Cyan Pressed Pigment Palette. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, mineral-free. Okay, take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion. It sells for $30. Hopefully it's colors that I like. Not, then I'm not even gonna play with it, but let's see. Oh, look how pretty. This is pretty. It comes with a beautiful mirror. That's always a plus. I love purples. These colors like this scream my name. I love that. I love that you have transition shades, okay? And I love that it's not only matte or shimmers, it has both. We swatch some. This color Virgin is really calling my name. Angel's Landing. Alright, not bad. How about we swatch some mattes? That'll be interesting. Narrows, a bit chalky. How about Mystery? Oh, look at this color here. Look at this color here. Wild River, that purple. Wild River, just look at that. I hope it applies like that on the eyes. Oh yeah, that's swatched really good. Definitely be doing a tutorial using this because I'm sure a lot of people will be receiving this. Let me know what palette you got, if you got a palette. Saw several Marc Jacobs things and Huda. I would have really liked those, but I can't say I'm mad about this. This one I'm really excited for. I don't know. how I feel about how this arrived. I told you from the beginning it was like opened a bit, not sealed. I just feel like some of the product is missing. I really like this. I like the packaging, like the design. I really think I'm gonna use this. The brushes I'm definitely gonna use. This palette I will definitely use. So this cream is definitely a pass for me. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any requests for another beauty box for me to review for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.